wake up. So I'm gonna cook with my stove, just kind of save our firewood. Look at this. Nathan's already fast asleep, but I'm gonna get him some food before I wake him up. Got some reindeer sausage here. The normal backpacking stoves you see a lot run off of pressurized isobutane, but it doesn't work in cold temperatures. So I'm using white gas, liquid white gas. But this stuff's actually kind of cool. This stove will run off of diesel, kerosene, white gas, you know, so you got a lot of different options.